right?
I can do it. Pizza.
Hey, can I grab a photo of all you guys?
What? Everyone do.
That's 3 times.
Because I want to do this fast.
Have money for it.
Wow.
Okay, right there, oh. All of you line up in front of the fence.
I can run.
Where's the other?
I am
No, where are my clubs?
Blood. She's in line up here.
Oh, Joe.
Oh, was
Okay,
these
in
yours?
front. Yeah,
These-
yeah.
You want them?
Yeah,
I'll just
well,
get
where
my
are
shoes.
yours? Okay, get your shoes and I'll line them up in front.
I just have to.
Okay? We'll take a picture so Brandon has a souvenir, okay? Come on, Aisha. Go there. All of you, okay? Nice.
I'm
And
in the
then-
middle.
Yeah, no, you shouldn't cover the donkey, right?
Jules, go there. I'll take your
Side
picture.
Here, okay? Where I put you,
She's
that's where
coming.
you'll be. Okay, here in the side, because remember we don't want to cover the donkey. There. Oops. There's someone. Oh, where's Amanda?
Marcus.
Oh, yeah, come on. Come here. Come here. Oh, then you. Oh, that's good. You like to do that? You're okay?
Oh, yeah.
You're okay? Okay, smile. Wait, Amanda, come on.
Go on this side.
Or there.
Side.
Whoa. Oh. Move some more so you're closer. No, Brendan, not you. You go back there because you're covering the donkey. Okay, we're waiting for John. For the camera. Smile! Because there's 2 other cameras. I don't see teeth. Smile.
And move.
Brendan. Oh, nice.
How many kids
Aisha.
are here?
Oh,
1,
there.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Where's
6,
your
7,
camera?
8, 9.
Yeah.
We're missing
Okay.
people.
Who? Missing who?
2 people. 2 people.
Now some other people are coming too.
That's
they just
okay,
called.
but we should already take
I mean,
his picture.
three people.
Smile. Look at the camera here. Smile. Ay, nako, you're covering the donk. Okay, that's good. Did they play that yet? No.